Eye n'Ensoko TV, oboroso bw'umugusi.
Morigereria bw'Ensoko TV ne mambiende ngiyari tukuritangana yaso mutinyo kana umwaka w'echele pipere 2025 na rimo nokugenda kwa nebuna kwa bokire bya kwagenderero byana boyo gwachakira mutinyo yega ase enchira ere endonge mambiende na ntokubira na chinse chiga enyene tidake kichi airegoro aso murubiro yega gwetero bindi gwachakira boro gweka chinsa isano ne mochi abono kwaso aso go chia kumurekera mangana ao ayagendere tokore kana mambia bona ya etire boyigo ayara chekubwatia asiri tukerige sange aso bwa mugwetera asenchira nyumutanda gwekerera Facebook rwega media YouTube Ensoko TV wega namba ya mawasiliano ase ujumbe nyengere noti sana na ibere sana na isa na numara gatano mweri wa beka isa to tusange asubwa mu guchakira bono wiko mweri wa Italiane Ishmael Mogera. Asomo chakane mambia bono okobori niko kwarure gochia serikali na babwatani ao asamangana abwatikene chinchira chekerero kubainyora na kubabwatani abamenyete no barema ase chinchira chekerero korengana na Luke Muleka moteneneri o Science Media ase nkwane ya kuru ase county ya Garissa nigacheruna ense nigagendera tego chinchia korwa egekoro gochia sekerero na igonere bya kubarigereria abamenyete no barema erio tibatikara magega korende kubwatanirwa ase chinchira chekerero ya mase yemo gwikasensemo ya Garissa taraligereri na aliaya agendera tekuru asensemeyo aso murubiri bwogosira abamenyete noborema.
So first I want to thank the county government of Garissa and the Ministry of Health Garissa County, Science Media TV. I also want to thank the UK government, Ministry of ICT and the other partners for training deaf people on digital literacy. Also, they have been able to train the members or the nurses and the doctors on how to serve the deaf people when they go to hospital using the sign language app. Initially, the deaf members of this community had challenges in that sometimes they could have gone to hospital, but when an interpreter is far, it was a challenge for them to access what? Medical services. But currently, because of this app, which has sign language interpreters, a deaf person can go to the hospital, then using the mobile phone or that app, I can be able to interpret for a deaf person while far away from the hospital, which is what? A plus for the deaf people.
We've been finalizing a program whereby the deaf have been undergoing this training, and this training, we've been trying to make them understand that everything has shifted. How to get on e-citizen, because the government services have moved to the digital platform. We are trying to make them that if you want an ID, you are likely to get it on the digital platform. If you want your certificate of good conduct, you are likely to get it on the digital platform. If you want to apply for the council's certificate of persons with disabilities digital platform, KRA tax compliance or digital platform. So it's very important that we have the deaf also getting involved in this space of digital literacy, because a lot of services have moved. If we leave them, then we are leaving no one behind and not aspiring to the sustainable development goals of 2030 of leaving no one behind. The deaf are now, we can say they are now literate. They know the basics of digital literacy. We've taken them through the training and they are very happy as they have responded to the interviews that they have been able to have. And as we go forward, we are going to engage them because we want to engage as many deaf people as possible in this particular program. In addition, sign language interpreters who we have been training today are also now aware that they have been opened up to new job opportunities through the app, whereby wherever they are, as long as you are on the app and you are getting, you are able to be on the data platform, you realize that a call will come through whereby you are supposed to serve a deaf person, and you are able to serve these deaf people when not moving out of your house, at the comfort of your house. So we are doing a holistic approach to digital literacy, whereby we are creating opportunities for employment, we are providing services, and also making the deaf know that the services of the government has shifted. And the government made sure that all the agencies, and we are talking about in the excess of I would say in the excess of 5,000 have moved to the digital platform. And if the deaf are left behind, then they are not going to access those services. The deaf have, and this one is something they raised to the health director of health, that their assessment has been taking time, but this was assured that it has actually been devolved now. They are able to get this service at the county level, but now the government also assured them that some of these assessment services that were having challenges, especially with the machines, they were assured that these services have come to the county, and they're able to access now the assessment services quickly. The deaf were feeling that they have been left out in terms of training, because they told us this is the first time they've been taken through this type of training, the digital literacy training, which we feel is very important, but because they have been feeling left out in terms of development, as other people are being taken through the development agenda, they have been left. And we feel that this is a real conversation that we should carry to the national level.
Asense muyende na yabwatikirire kisemya serikali nigo yegikire kerengo kiemerongo 3 gichibesa kurwa se budget imeyense eriko ene kibuna kisemi na mono asomuruberio o competence based education go CBE ngo ikiranure buna ebwendereta seboigo aborokiwa go saborokia chilifu emya ya mabarikiwe mirimo muri kyomana nase wizara y'oburendi bwaime Raymond Omolo asenkwane ayengaki ikiranete ase ariganitwe no mukonyi bw'abanyanyimbo Eliud Lagat ase omoyega bwokwena nebyegwa imeutumishi Boys Academy semo ya Gilgil nigo wego ase miri abwiburi kubarenda abana ase gose kubarenda abana ase chengaki ase chinjire chonsi engaki yega chiskuru chisiekire eri kubatanga kuru ase ebikoru au byogosari buna gotumeka amaryogo yogotindia.
As a government led by His Excellency President Ruto, that the amount of investment that we have put in education is higher than any investment that we are undertaking as a government. Actually, close to 30% of the national budget is dedicated to education. And Pastor or Apostle spoke about the competency-based education. When His Excellency the President was coming into office, there was a lot of confusion. Parents were worried how this system was going to work. And in 3 years, we've been able to streamline that process, and now there's a lot of clarity in terms of how the competency-based education curriculum is being undertaken. And then there's been massive investment in resources, whether it is in terms of the teachers. In 3 years, 100,000 teachers recruited across the country. In these 3 years, more than 23,000 classrooms have been built across the country. And there is continuous investment with a lot of support from our members of parliament in terms of making sure that there is adequate budget to hire, to train, and also to put up and build the infrastructure. So I just wanted to re-emphasize this so that as you go back home as parents and even as students, because the schools are closing, you have an opportunity to inspire the next student who probably has not had the privilege to come to Tumishi Academy, so that when they see you, either they look forward to coming to Tumishi, or they are able to find out what is it that you are doing that is making you excel, that then can also make them do better. So ladies and gentlemen, students and staff of Tumishi, as you proceed for the holidays, I want to urge you to remain safe. Responsible young men and women, I want you to take care of your personal safety and avoid situations that would expose you or that may expose you to harm. As I have said, please stay away from drugs. and harmful online content, and choose your friends wisely. Your success lies in being safe, but also making responsible decisions. And part of this also is discipline. And I want you, if there is nothing else that you remember out of me being the chief guest today, please underline the word discipline. Discipline will take you places. You don't have to be the best in mathematics. You don't have to be the best in Kiswahili. You don't even have to have straight A's. But if you are disciplined, you will go places. So I want to challenge you, I want to encourage you to be disciplined. And what does it mean to be disciplined? To be disciplined means you respect your teachers, you respect your parents and guardians. Being disciplined means when classes are starting at 8, make sure you're in class at 8. When there's homework to be done, make sure you do the homework. If it is games time, make sure you are there. But in all that, please find something that you are good at. Whether it's in class, whether it's in the field, whether it's in debate, at least there must be something that you can be good at in the ministry. And what our main responsibility as a Ministry of Interior is that we support in the coordination of a lot of government programs. So whether it's in terms of transition, making sure that every child who needs to be in school is in school. And we work with the communities. One of the biggest issues that we are struggling with is the issue of drug and substance abuse. And I want to passionately speak to the students that because of the good culture in Utumishi, please don't fall prey to drug and substance abuse. Look out for the kind of friends that you make. Try and keep away from drugs. Try and keep away from substance abuse, because if you don't do that, then you'll never have an opportunity for us to come and celebrate you. You'll never have an opportunity to positively contribute to the well-being and development of this country.
Asense moyende committee ya Senate ya County Public Accounts Committee nigo yekiriye oroboti ruo morengi bwo tumeke bwekibesa cye serikali igoro yobo tumeke bwekibesa kurwasi county aimeyense goika omuroberio gose wika omwere bwo mwaka ayatachi tariki 30 mutinyo gatano ari mu mwaka gwechile fuibera 2025 asa oroboti urio nigo chi county chinyinge chikorekana go tumeka kibesa bobe echo chikoerera gokagirwa buna nigo chikurumire.
The Public Accounts Committee, and I am very proud of the chair of the Public Accounts Committee. You have done a fantastic job in leading this committee, Honorable Speaker. Because the committee has recommended that we adopt the report of the Auditor General for Nairobi as is, I have brought the report as is. Mr. Speaker, I want you to see that this is the actual Auditor General's report on the County Executive of Nairobi for the year ended 30th June 2025. And Honorable Speaker, we have agreed in the Committee of Public Accounts that if we are going to deal with the problems of devolution, that fight must begin in Nairobi. And when you read this report, Honorable Speaker, you can see why we are recommending very, very drastic measures against the county government of Nairobi. I have just chosen a sample, Honorable Speaker, so that people out there who are following this debate understand why it is extremely critical that we have conversations with governors on this report of the Auditor General's report. Speaker, at page 3 of the Auditor General's report on Nairobi, we start off by a whooping 1.9 billion Kenya shillings that was withdrawn from salary account held at a local bank during the year. The withdrawals were not supported by any payroll summaries, payment vouchers, approvals, or anything to show where this money was going, Honorable Speaker. I want to move quickly Honorable Speaker, to another thing. If you read the report on Nairobi, it just starts with irregular, unsupported, unconfirmed, undisclosed. It is extremely troubling, Honorable Speaker, when you read the report on Nairobi. You come to something that the people of Nairobi have been complaining about, garbage collection. Speaker, this one I just want to read it verbatim. That although the county executive procured various private contractors and assigned them to specific zones for waste collection, the county also operated 56 solid waste collection trucks for which it incurred fuel expenditure amounting to 124 million shillings. The Auditor General says no evidence was provided to show that these trucks were assigned to any operational zones or activity logs, trip sheets, fuel consumption records, or supervisory reports. Speaker, what the auditor is saying is that you give private contractors contracts to collect garbage in Nairobi, and you assign them specific zones. For instance, you say this truck is for Kilimani. Then you have your own 56, which you don't assign to any zone. And the danger there, Honorable Speaker, is that people could actually be paid, getting paid for things that they did not know, did not do, because it is possible that some of that garbage in those areas was actually collected by the 56, one of the 56, county vehicles. Speaker, I want to go to one of our biggest projects in this city, and I know that the governor is very, very proud of this particular program of his. It consumes almost 1 billion shillings annually, Honorable Speaker. It is the school feeding program that he calls Dish in a County. If you look at the report of the Auditor General, it is titled there, Irregularities in Program Design and Implementation of the School Feeding Program, Dish in a County. And Honorable Speaker, if you flip over to the page, the Auditor General has identified 13 separate irregularities in this particular program. And if you just go through some of them very quickly, Honorable Speaker, you will see, for instance, there was no disclosure of third-party agreements, deployment of human resources, and accountability for donor and partner contributions. You go to number 5 there, it says the program exhibited characteristics of a public-private partnership, yet no formal PPP agreement was in existence. Payments amounting to 9 million shillings were made to Dagoretti South Central Kitchen, despite the existence of a similar CDF-operated program without evidence of harmonization or verification of outputs. 118 million shillings made to non-hub kitchens without documentation to confirm official designation, while an additional 118 million shillings was paid without any supporting documentation. And the list goes on, Honorable Speaker. We have so many problems, including the construction of the house at Lady Northey, which has told Honorable Speaker, and other irregularities, including in management and award of court cases, Honorable Speaker. You will see that this report, you might think it was prepared by the DCI themselves, because all this sounds like disclosures of criminal activity. And this is why I'm very proud that the committee has said that we need to be able to submit these reports to the agencies that are now responsible for law enforcement in this country to take action.
To rise by supporting our committee. Today afternoon, I'm a proud member of County Public Accounts Committee, and more so, serving as the senator in this session. Mr. Speaker, I want to begin by saying the following. Mr. Speaker, I am very surprised, and I'm happy a number of county governments, Mr. Speaker, has been named and shamed, including Nandi County, Mr. Speaker. If you want to visit the county headquarters of corruption, larceny, ineffectiveness, moribunds, public plundering, you need to visit Nandi County, Mr. Speaker. And I'm happy, and I want to challenge EACC and DCI, Mr. Speaker, to seize up the recommendations that we shall adopt as a House, Mr. Speaker, because it cannot be the county has vehicles, but they are doing car hire for 1 million shillings, Mr. Speaker. It cannot be that there are no drugs in Maraba, in Kapsabet, in Kabiet, yet the governor allocates himself 484 million for pleasure, office entertainment, chai and mandazi, and personal escapades, including in Masai Mara. Mr. Speaker, it cannot be that Nandi allocates 60 million to bursary, but 484 to personal entertainment of the governor, named or christened as office operations, that is Christian as massages to the governor, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I'm happy that as we recommend today that it will go to the history and the great people of Nandi, that despite the plundering of resources, Mr. Speaker, that even as it rains today in Nandi, the roads remain impassable. Today, Mr. Speaker, there is chaotic human resource, and I want to challenge ESCC, and one of the lawyers is looking at me who represented that matter, that more than 2,000 employees in Nandi was sacked unfairly, and governor decided to hire his personal cronies. I am happy the report has flagged that matter, Mr. Speaker, and I hope justice will be done to those employees, Mr. Speaker. Even if you visit Kapsabet County Referral Hospital, Mr. Speaker, the bed sheets, the mortuary services, Mr. Speaker, the provision of drugs is still a mirage, Mr. Speaker. Even when it came to Floka, Mr. Speaker, there were many money that was spent, but they could not be accounted, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, these governors, and I want to appeal to the Public Accounts Committee, now that the governor of Nandi refused to appear on summonses, the warrant of arrest must be issued pronto and must be dealt with once for all, Madam Speaker. Number two, Mr. Speaker, I am surprised that the chair of Council of Governors, in fact, the House must order his immediate arrest, Mr. Speaker. How can Mohammed Abdullahi, who is town, they used to use toilet collectors every evening, Mr. Speaker. How can he lecture some of us? How can he name and shame our names when the toilets in Wajir town are being collected literally by ants in every evening, Mr. Speaker? How can he tell us? He must be arrested. 1.5 billion of employees' payables in Wajir cannot be accounted, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, even in Wajir, Mr. Speaker, there are almost 3.5 billion on pending bills, Mr. Speaker. Even the abattoir of Wajir County International remains unutilized, Mr. Speaker. They are in Wajir, there are 149 vehicles, but against 216 drivers, Mr. Speaker. He does not have the moral authority to lecture the Senate on accountability. Mr. Speaker, I have
gotigana na ikuru ase ebunge ye senator mo bisomanene ase wizara yebyo meno bonchiryo bakoba Susan Mang'eni ni gaira ile merobire serikali asobo bagibwe kibesa cyanyota asaba saye chinsemo aimense ya Kenya. Mang'eni ni gatebiri na mubaro monene bwa basaye bakonyekire ni kibesa icho no mubaro omoke ori otigarete abu ase serikali ene kerenke guchikone kibuna kibesa icho cya baikeire umurobiri oyuboigo nigo ora umurobiri oyuboigo nigo korwa maigerio ase bari bakwe gukibesa icho gotago chakera gose guchakira ubonchereri obokoboke nabo igo kwegendereri kibugima nabo igo akwerera ase ubwagara ase gekaro batwarete ase ritukori igoro.
Today we want to update the public and most importantly our Nyota beneficiaries for business support component on where we are with regard to the ongoing nationwide mentorship program. So the Nyota project business support component has been undertaking the nationwide mentorship program since 4th March 2026 across all the 1450 wards in the Republic of Kenya. The mentorship program includes site visits, business guide talks, experience sharing moments, cross-peer mentorship, and networking session to enable beneficiaries to start and grow their businesses. The mandatory mentorship follows the nationwide disbursement of the first tranche of Nyota business support, startup capital to the 121,800 beneficiaries, 121,800 beneficiaries as part of the three-pronged pathway of enterprise development, business skills training, funding, and mentorship. To date, 94% of the beneficiaries who received the first tranche of startup capital have been successfully taken through the mentorship program. 98% of them have already started their businesses. The remaining 2% are in the process of starting their business and are being handheld by the mentors. The mentorship program has revealed that 65% of the mentees, or rather of the beneficiaries, are first-time entrepreneurs, while 19% have less than 1 year of business experience. A further 13% have between 1 and 3 years of business experience, while only 3% have been in business for more than 3 years. This shows that the Nyota business support is largely supporting emerging entrepreneurs who are at the early stage of building their businesses. The disbursement of the second tranche of business startup capital is earmarked to take place before the end of April 2026, actually by the end of April 2026, paving the way for the second mentorship period that will now introduce a beneficial to the MSME ecosystem to enhance business support. Shown on the grant, so the startup capital we are giving to our young beneficiaries or our Nyota beneficiaries for business support component is a grant. They are not repaying. They are not expected to pay back. However, the only repayment or returns we expect from them is when they invest in their businesses so that their businesses can support them, can create job opportunities for them. This is a huge return, not just to the government, but then to the economy. Because if they get engaged in the economy, they have a source of income, then that's the most significant returns that we need. So it is not a loan we are advancing to them, it is a grant. Enabling them, providing them with an opportunity for economic empowerment is also a development agenda. So it's a loan that will be paid over time. And one of the returns of paying, how do we pay back the debts that we have, foreign debts, including even the loans, the concessional loans from development partners, World Bank, and many of those institutions. When we generate revenue, how do we generate revenue in this country? When these young people, over 100,000 of them, if they engage into businesses, they expand the tax bracket. Now we have a lot of business engagement there. People buy, they sell, they make profit, and that's how we get the revenue that then meets our debt obligation.
Tigana nayo murigereria mambia bano muraiwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto niga umirane nabangina kurwa county ao inse yo murobere umanyekaine buna maendeleo ya wanawake asaba kwaneregoro ya mangana ringete abangina imeyense abangina abo nigo barairwe no murugi bwo muraiwense Rachel Ruto ase egikaro kendrete ase nyombene yo muraiwense asumucho Nairobi.
Nyinyi kina mama ndio sababu Kenya ipo. Bila kina mama mambo yanaweza kuwa ngumu sana. And so to the women of Kenya, I want to say we are proud of you and the work that you continue to do. I want to encourage you not to be tired and not to give up. You are empowering your families. You are empowering the people of Kenya. May the Lord continue to strengthen you and continue to bless you for the great work. Sometimes as a woman, when you're working, you think someone is not seeing. But I want to tell you that the world sees and people see. Kwa hivyo asanteni sana. To the leaders, I want to thank you for your resilience. I see the trailblazers here. Women who have stood the test of time. And today the young women of this nation look up to you. Thank you for setting a great example for the young women of this nation. Your Excellency, thank you so much for standing with the women of Kenya. Without you, we would not be here. We are very proud of you. And we know that you, as the President of Kenya, the women of Kenya are at a good place. So we continue to pray for you, Your Excellency, that you will continue to lead us even in the days to come. Asanteni sana. Karibuni tena, mujisikia nyumbani. Mungu awabariki.
Maiwo leadership has been revitalized into a dynamic, modern, and impactful institution. We have strengthened our governance systems through the review and adoption of our constitution, strategic plan we finished 2019-2024, and we ratified at an AGM in 2019. To enhance accessibility, the constitution was translated into Kiswahili, the only, and ensuring that every woman here can read the Constitution. In 2022, we proudly celebrated 70 years service to the nation with activities we held across the country. These celebrations brought together 15,000 grassroots women, enabling us to reflect in our journey, mobilize communities around voter education, peace building, and the elimination of gender-based violence, among others. MIWO has continued to play a pivotal role in national development through our strategic plan. We supported initiatives like the National Youth Service, Huduma Centers, Nyumba Kumi, Linda Mama, while also working on the national governance processes. Allow me to highlight some of our flagship projects. Your Excellency, before I say this, it is good to say hii chama iko na miaka 74. Hakuna chama ingine Kenya hii. Hata ile ODM mnatuambia iko na miaka 20. Hapa ndio miaka 74. Wamama tujipigie makofi. And many times we forget to say Maendeleo is 74 years. Mimi nasikia this Maendeleo is quiet. I don't know what. Your Excellency, we work quiet, and I'll be presenting to you the documents why we are quiet. We've done one strategic plan, and I'll be presenting to you the current one. CEO, can you please present to the President the Constitution, the current strategic plan? So because we work on plan, we kept quiet, sir, and worked like women. Na tukiongea na nyinyi muongee, CEO is presenting the current strategic plan to the President. That is 2025-2029. And therefore, ingine kwa First Lady, Maendeleo is not quiet. Maendeleo is working. Ile tunahitaji ni pesa, rais atusaidie, tufanye kazi chini. Wamama tunahitaji pesa. Wamama tunahitaji pesa. Your Excellency, tunakuonanga ukienda kule kuna kahawa unafanya waiver. Kule kuna majani unafanya waiver. Sisi kuna wengine hatuna kahawa, hatuna majani, hatuna maziwa. Utatupatia nini leo? So we are here. Your Excellency, we have a national water harvesting project which nimekuongelesha leo. Tuko na mradi ya matangi ya maji saa. Kila nyumba hapa, Your Excellency, kila mama anahitaji tangi ya maji. Na hii tangi ya maji tunanunua na mkopo kupitia Equity Bank. Na tangi ni 67,000. Sasa rais, hata ukisema unatulipia 10,000, sisi tuingie loan ya 57. Hiyo pesa nitumbiwe. Hawa wamama wananiamini na pesa yao. Mnaniamini? Itawafikia. Your Excellency, we also have the clean drinking water, the sour can. Ile sour can ni mzuri sana, inasafisha maji. Inatoka 1,000. Your Excellency, hii can, kila mama hapa akiingia biashara 1,000 anapata 200. Now allow me to talk like a Njuakali woman because I was one for almost 3 decades. Anabaki na 800. Anapatia Maendeleo 600. Alafu mwenye kani anapata 600. Akienda kwa market yauze kani 10 anabaki na 2,000. She will feed her family. So what we are talking here, sir, is creation of wealth. When we talk about SACCO, I have been to the 47 counties. Nimetembea county zote. Si mmeniona? Rais, mimi ninakwambia ukweli. I have been to all these counties. If we have a SACCO ya wamama, inatusaidia pesa, utusaidie na seed money, we will be sorted, Your Excellency. Ama namna gani wamama? Tungekuwa na seed money bahali pia tunakofa.
Ensemo ya United Alternative Government bakorogwa na Kalonzo Musyoka setaro yabo ya matukatari meyero gongoro ukambani nigo basangira n'abamenyi ba Kibwezi no mucyoma kidu ase baruro kubore go cyasomura ibwense Dr. William Samuel Ruto kwane kyo bakorera obwekera no gucyase omwana inchi na koreta magendero mono ase sector yobochenu amo na semeria yekisemi
pale Kenyatta National Hospital. Hiyo hospitali karibu nafungwa. Duale na Kasongo wameingilia. Pale pesa ya e-citizen imeibiwa. The nurses have not been paid. Ile deductions ya kwenda KRA, kwenda kwa SACCOs yao, kwenda kwa pension, hakuna. Wako na madeni kwa SACCO, wanapewa penrot karibu wanauzwa wafilisike. Pale wagonjwa wameumia. Hakuna dawa, hakuna reagents, hakuna blood bank. nurses hakuna gloves, wagonjwa hakuna chakula. Sasa huyu Kasongo anasema ni patron ya Nairobi Hospital. Tunamwambia wewe bwana patron, Nairobi Hospital is a private hospital. Fuka hapo kwa barabara across the road. Kuwa patron ya Kenyatta National Hospital. Hapo ndio shida iko. SHA inafanya kazi hapa. Sasa huyu Mutuse wanaambia Kasongo ati SHA inafanya kazi. Ni uongo si uongo? SHA haina IT department. Mambo yote ya IT inafanyiwa Dubai. All claims, both genuine and fake, are processed in the United Arab Emirates. Na kwa sababu kampuni ile ya kufanya hiyo kazi inaitwa Convergence Network Solutions ni ya Duale. Baada ya wale IT experts kuprocess fake claims, Duale mwenyewe ndio anaidhinisha ile italipwa. Kwa hivyo ile nguzi yote iko kwa SHA, Aden Duale ndio anafanya. Nimemtangaza jana, analia kama panya imeshikwa na mtego. Siku za mwizi ni 40. Hii Duale na Kasongo ni kengei si kengei.
Hii ndio ile barabara Ruto anasema ataniwekea lami iende Sekuru. Mwambieni amechelewa. Sema umechelewa. Amechelewa hajachelewa. Hii barabara ina umuhimu mkubwa zaidi. Nao imefika Kitui. Inaelekea karibu Migwani. Mjumbe wa hapo wa Mwingi West hata ajui. He has no idea. Anaenda kusema Your Excellency, nitapiga kura ya kumpeleka Gachagua nyumbani. Bora uniwekee kilomita hii 17. Ni mjinga si mjinga? Ajui in the same barabara. And the people of this country have a right to be served.
Kuna ile tume ya uchaguzi na mipaka IEBC wamezindua jana usajili wa wapiga kura, mass voter registration. Twaomba watu wa Kibwezi, ukiwa na mtoto miaka 18 tafadhali asilale kwa nyumba bila kujukua kitambulisho na kujisajili kama mpiga kura. Hiyo tumekubaliana? Na tunaambia IEBC, tangu jana tumetembea huku na tumeona ya kwamba kuna upungufu wa zile machine za kusajili wapiga kura. Pili, kuna upungufu wa staff ya IEBC. Kuna sehemu ambazo vijana wale wameanzisha the Niko Card Initiative wako kila pahali, wamejitokeza, lakini hakuna watu wa kutosha wa kuwasajili. You are beginning to frustrate the registration of the youth who have now come out in numbers to be registered. So hivyo tukiwa hapa Kibwezi, we want to demand that IEBC deploys enough equipment and personnel so that the Niko Card Initiative by our young people is not frustrated. Hilo ndio jambo tuuliza tukiwa hapa. Hatuombi, we demand.
Na kama mkiona wakitatiza vijana kuchukua kura, mtuambie, kwa sababu tunajua kuna uzembe uko pale katika IEBC. Wanasema za zingine mashine hazifanyi kazi. Huo ni uzembe wa wale ambao wanaongoza pale IEBC, wakiongozwa na ule kijana ameshikilia madaraka hivi majuzi anaitwa Sunguli. Lazima hakikishe kila pembe ya Kenya vijana Gen Z wanapotokezea kwenda kuchukua kadi wanapata huduma ambayo iko efficient.
Miamano asoko chore soko TV oborospo mugusina boyo kubwatyo murubiriga kuru muchakano gwikira bore kana letokora agenda omutimo koboke turasimiri chiduka na nyume gusimiri chiduka ningirane na yanda mange mambia boro ase turachiko so asenkwani yaito emambia ya bono liboli nene ndirina ine kwabwatire ekura yago inse omurubirio wabasayo manyekaine na tuko kadi ine aye kwabwatire ekura nginkwera nantuchiko yakwanira ase obwagaria emambia ya bono.
Eye Nensoko TV, oboroso bumugusi.
omwancho mulire mwa Soko TV ngeta sengi Soko TV nibugiyatira sengenje yao
kokoretera amangana amaya
ayatabwati gwanchero ko rwansi korime yagusina isiko yagusina
to kubekera tene ni anyare ko bakawateka
atabwati gwanchire bonda bwansi
korwa ebunge ya Kitutu Chache South Meye County ya Kisii Elietariane Caroline Mausa
korwe county ya Nyamira Elietariane Steven Embonde
korwa county ya Kisii Elietariane Wycliffe Orenge
mera na inche Dominic Onderi Nyabuto ekeranya gukoreta amangana amaya ko ritukira Jumatatu paka ritukira Jumapili
Jeni Gongoro Perpetual Machin na Nyora Netrobin ya Soko TV oboroso bomogusi.
Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ugaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721511500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Ubugima n'urugendo rubwa tamange amaya namabe Umusakito Linet Nyambane niga ngaririe imena isiko ya gusi na gusanga naba yaeteire naba yaetera.
Nchekera na ibole twe undango tebiwa ndabona ibole tukinde buya ngakina kinde buya ekera na chiro ikemia tasta ngachaka ngotefera po ngoira samagoro wani kamanya gutokanga na twali rogo ona wacha gitego
aya nime yo muroberyo bumwenori kirali tukule Jumatano chinsabiri chabutuko imeya Soko TV oboroso bumugusi ine nuganete betri uratumia segari yao ebetri uguchachirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene chinga kichonsi ebenga kieriberera gusenga kiyobokendo tawe chandika Autobat Kenya Limited no tulegigiga asingichao nigo tokorosia na koni chipetri uratumia chinga kichonsi chibetri uratumie asigari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuru.
Tunapopitia pale kwa gari yako tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka ne battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wakuja mstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Taoni ya Nyamira na rena shauri zangwe ngararo moijana umozu bataya mabwari
Murigeri bwa Soko TV oyo no moroberio gwo kongoria mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Yang'au turabe tukumira na kira ritukurie iki guchakira chinsa 11 chamogoroba wikenseyemo ya butuko kugwa akorire mirimo yawo yerituko kwabukire orosete uikaransitero ya ubwo yandaje tasekerugo orambulete merondo kunyagusibero ngori nari ase screen ni chingero chikoletwa na mwanambuka Edwin Yang'au ano to konyora chingero chionsi echiegita na chobenga kwanu ubukano echiembegetere ndo gesongengo to amereria
Bakalia omotoya kabwatwa Bakalia omotoya kabwatwa amatukemeronge na gaika kabwatwa
Obutindi no bosombasi amate ninki kere tokore
Asamari etangoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ogoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togo konya abantu bari amaruna amaryogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togo konya abantu buna umwana funzi orenge kwa ende university ongere gutumia amaruna amaryogo yogotindi amosariri wana ya ikireke wango guikaru aligo. Panya oroyo onde orenge kwa ende kanisa utigire onge yakonywa amaryogo yogotindi na amaru abasari erio twabaretaga Betami twabarwali erinde obugima bwabo bwirane gochaso obugima obi
asamange twakirisimya se namba 0706840844 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichi buriyo gukora chingatale ichyobutindu Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi
Karibu na inde mwanchumo rigereria kichiatige chidaika ibiri chuka chirage chinse sano chiabona mambia Soko TV oboroso bwomugusi nabo igasumuro yo umurobero yiga bwetero bini ase mambia bana ritukuri tangani ase umutienyi oyo iga okare asensemo eyega yende yakabire ngo kwariga niyo gendera koye bwatu getera senchero yo mutandao wekerero Facebook nabo igasensemo eri ya YouTube Soko TV nambia mawasiliana ase ujumbe yago enyengeni gere noti sano na ibere sano na isatu sano na isatu sano na momara gatano omweri obeka isatori bolio linene mambia yabono ndirina ine kwa bwatire ekura gose no bwate kura bose bochori bo mwaka wechile fwe bere 25 na kabere ase omwaka ogo chane mambya yabono tochi kusanga amonere mambya yabono ikiranire ime studio ni gakorukona na Zablon onchiri mayaka umugusi korende korwase ense oyo koborekerwa kyo bwa MCA korwase ward ya Captain North ase ensemo asumuchi Wasekuru ase county ya Kajiado ase sub county ko sasa nsemo ye bunge emanyekaine buna isinya emambya yabona karibu sana tange aso bwamo go chakarwana goika omwaire na kiribu ya mwarigani eri ago kwani kurwa buntosoe ase nkwani yeto emambya yabona karibu sana kwani ngo umurigereria wensoke emambya ye
Okay asante umuradia aso kongarigani ase studio ye oja kusangana abaminto goitera asembeo na korwa chibicha ase TV ukone abaminto abagusi bare kinsa munisiko andonsu wetas bauto kabali kinsa chi bategerete na kuligireria TV asamarieta no murare kirego teba ngoro kusabru no nchiri mayaka ndo ngiboire Nyamira account ase sub county ya Burabu iga riege chichige koro kwa Makura no ngiboire koro abamenyo bwana menyete Kitengera anda Kajiado county sub county ekoro kuisinya nigo nadigetie enjera yo korigia kora abantu baminto bangeribaga dio kubara ase Kajiado county ndocho kwa ninkororo na abantu baminto babeira bangororo patate okora mandre bintu mbire byabere bitango batayikonyara okora esaudio konyara connection na kubwatera nase chi branches chirikie government okonyora nchiri tiare kera nabo gutoka ng'ibitango mbiro byarorekanire gwetara injira ng'aitokoro kwa bagusi baruyambaro n'ekikabira so we feel like nkonya twangenire baga gerende tokorera abantu baitadie sebaragani basirwe
kurasa nsemo ye wodi area ase boni gweso kiro kubori gusukuri kero geke igori neganga yo kubori kero geke akyo MC yakero kuligereria umubaro w'abantu abange gusegesa kukerororo ase ngencho bono bune county ya Nairobi akara tukuligereria figures komo chire kwora kina igesa kugete nikikubwata umubaro w'abantu gete nagesa kugete umubaro oye nuyo goche igo nonye nuri okuligi chikura ase naro konyora ari nekerengana imocha ningi kerenkwane ne nyumba gete igemenetina nkwane nyumba gete na nyumba gete abantu bonsi nugandira ukwana barabura lakini uno murai konyora umuntu nabwate kerenga gete na abantu mbaraga ategete kuikera mona singenchaga neti omubaro kurwase nsemo elia okurwekera ukoligira omubaro nabo igo nonye nyumba y'omugusi goikera bona iga ngagi omubaro ngagi okuyobekera birengo bingani naki.
Okay, asante kene muna watebiro muraria omugusi no mungari sana ese chitauni chinyinge twasokire sikaga twarataratate omugusi ari omonge kero tokubarwe namba konya tokubekirwe namba yaite ng'erenke lakini sikaga kero gocha kwanya omugusi asa abantu weta ikomiga nabo konyora omugusi no ari mau babire gose batatu then eyu yaro kinge kene omugusi no mongare kero ngokwana about Kajiado County gusi abagusi baitu batamire Kajiado County kera oburimo bwakeire gusi no kuri waito mugusi gente que también kanyorire no endemira kuriya abagusi baitu barigerio oboremi banchito oboremi batamire Kajiado County bansire kogora bari bataragora mbagasine kuegasa gusemba tu ena baro musuke nkororo agweso kurigerie namba kero kombe achikabira chinde chirikia chire komenyese Kajiado County erwere nkaya bamansai okonyanga abagusi etoko banamba ibere nyontu abanambe yamo ese bichichi bichichi binge go kubwati kwenda okonyanga nyonto beti namba ibere etoko banambe yamo so ise kuriye ibuna kitengera ise Kajiado County ere kwamba ukwaneka tubwata abagusi abagusi babucha kogo enda bichichi bikwenda na bakonyanga ngeke mokerugia tubwa ikende ntoke bwete so it means inamba ite so mugusi Kajiado County nere comparing nechikabire chinde inambe nderato bwati no muruya kene una kitengera nabakebare omuntu tubweta ino moikoyo nabakamba tura kombiti yake so tokaenda guchimutwa asakuru kuisinya ere sub county yana isinya okonyoro muruya no are omonge akiko go just tokurukanga Kimarat Kromboi musiobo monge okwenda kisachu wana isinyari tokubuchi namba chinge so intune kenenga omugusi square abairo monge na kie ya toire na ndama okubaninga ki mugusi keto abuja gatigango to chamo keto achiramo ntosirane egara twagache usiende ska nekena abagusi bansire gwetoma andonse baumira nebikundi ga baro cerebus endo batete gokorani no kwana about development yoko twarendemiro
na ekero tugukwanira iguru y'omugusi asenseme iga ya Captain North na boiga nyone asensinye nyona ase county ya Kajiado ase obwagare na mono asenseme y'omugusi ekero tukwana nyona iguru yobo mu boiga wekera boni gamiro berekiria mugendera tukubeka nonye kuru asenseme yobo na chinsemo chinde uno bono mubeka na ase county ya Nairobi kwararire byombe chi welfare bande babwati byombe gete guchia bande bagusirana guchia yani bune nchira ya monga kinire bagwika bara umena nyone ne sabato gete ya moiga guseri tukete na rero na umugusi tukwanira se county ya Nairobi ni nchwamo turarakwanira bintu bibire bitatu nabo igemero birenere au ekunya kogendera ligwanga kinde kweguna baroberetie kwada se nyumba yoburayi gwense guchikohora nyone na umurayi gwense nabo ikumira na aburayi au nonye na se chiwizara nekerenge kenene nkelina na barumbaga nitige tarigete usige tigete keikirane ikikira konye abantu babo igo nase kurwa se county ya Kajiado na romiro berekie gendere taroro liyo kwenekina obo mubumu usimbo gendere tekwenekio kurase ensemeyo.
Okay, asante muraria murobiri bo abagusi toresko andonsi na wote kunyara turego chamo na ukwane ingana yoko kina asinjira chi tofauti uisakorigere Kajiado County no tubwate o moroberi bwo korokwa tubwate tureti ya karokirwe tureti yo mugusi no tubwate abarai bororo ba ko represent tureti agwese batemire ko cha asebyombe bibigo toka byaga chiribyo mugusi ko change kubyaga cha na kubyaganya kubigaya na in case of isi usikikora isi ekera kumaite abantu asebare na bigo toka nga tofauti nkaibere isato njire cyaba misunderstood na bawo cyabagayana iturete ya temire ko toikange tubwate kiombe boniga kiagache tubu no kyomugusi ekorwa umugusi kachato county asinanya wateri bagasiro participate na asoko ina na ebirengere byana ase korosi constitution kubwatira na umumuro yo mintu turatebe okuruku Simba oyore secretary sai na baraiba mabo na okuruku shem nere chairman tubwata bis na bande ntanya commission yiga in his various subcommittees bare teteka chatengima amo na ntukatwara mentions of diaspora meaning tubwata bantu basio kimau tubwata bantu ba Nairobi bachiteime
okay
yaro setue mugusia gachamo igangenene yachitebune welfare kurwa tukaendege ntoge kuru development kurwa unande na kurigeri na kiobora ibwito tura ibange
okay
ntura sobrai ari story ngaito ko ara ini gochegera kero tutaito bokonyi twanyora nantu ekebegi
okay
so yaikirete bono twachakire kurigie birogo bitu ansire kurigia bande kurunka ari stwarenge twakinire siko ikakire kanene na ubwamate no twagachi no abantu ba understandiri oburai bwito na kitokwana na kitobose na abantu
okay esabari yega yobraye kero kolireria singinche kero kwanira namba asichiga usomo baro ekerenge kanene gyo kolireria osekiagera twachakira sensemo yo mubaro kero kolireria data tukwira na pakase ikiombe kiri KBC nabo igobora yobegetara yabweko gocha gwacharo gose n'umuryo gose nyumba yago yoka nuganetia abantu bagwakire kura nabo igo bamanya kogochora kero bagwitabire bagochore na enchira yoka uranyare gutene nabo igo bomurai na gwita ngwetera ase ballot na kero tukuriria ase kiombe kirigete ntobo chore ne chibe ya ABC ningo babwate target yoko register usikorikia abakichikura abaye chimilioni 5 chili fwe 53 chimi 50 na babere na kero kuria se county ya Nairobi at least babwate target up to around 310,000 uchiguro Kakamega nira abgocha gocha kero ngara baka sensemo ya Kajiado Kajiado yewa kwandira karatoko genda se obwango mono nindo cheturukanaga Kajiado abwo mubaranora abwo up to around 106,262 negati karabakolire target yeli baganetie banyora kurwa se ensemo eyo so far so good ntubwato muroberio chakiwa nabasayiboni okurukwana tuko kadi libolire ndirina ine nubwate ekura asingincho monchiro nari baganetie akorekane asobrai no nyina magendero naralia egotebekana tanya okorekana asigikigetambe sana chinsemo chinde mbere bakolirana atwatigire maega ntokanete na intwe obora bubo chase chinsemo echige sabali yacha gitu mwako 2023 2024 wekera bona iga nabona yekirenga kielina tuko kadi oinaro muroberio ogendrete so far so good kurase ensemo kurwa naki muroberio yego bwokorikia abakichikura naki ogendera tubikira boni ge sabali na kierenyo na mariganyo kiujumla kurase ensemo yago
okay asante muradia esrogan yachire se street nekene kotebanga okoborunga nikono kat usikwa bolio mino ama kwani uko kat nesrogan yebwate chinguru sana yachageto no yominta korukwa arani ya temba HNC akachakaigo n'abantu baito baganza kuibwatira ororo youths abayira ndimono na kiro muntu affiliate ne esiroganie niko kati ngane bwate chinguru na gote ino ene prot na bokonyo na bana ba ukwana niko kati nkemineti HNC simba igwete batwarire baga dioko ligereria esirikali njira kieko kolegas abarai ba bachorete baba
no nyarama bagayokora
ya nama bagayokora so chinguru cyoko ligiye bachite bakaria raisinga mambo niko katri Genesis abange mention ya chitenge mubwate chinguru cyoko tare street na demonstrate but mubwate kura which member youths bachite kuria rais nekene gento kwa nekene to wate monuska lakini to kwenda waketebe nto ikoto kororo so youths bakaenda bakarigie criteria buno yara ni atemba okorengere inga nchira kitura influence our youths pato kinga ba bwatire chi kura egere ba tuare di bana bravo participate aso kurigie borai na ko ra Kenya na ko accountable the authorities about to be elected to the government. Ingane ya bwatri mono na nchini ya mwabonko yetumeka asoko radihi ungwachi yane kurigie kero kyo bwemusie na kachiato nkwane igoro yo libori kwa bori about inamba ye chikura kachiato count nise kurigereria isikorigereria enjera chikura chikobwati wane response teri tieru ni serikali okoranga readiness yabo teri buya ikera civic education teri teikuru enjere takeire wetera none chi station ya TV kiredio okorange tate okorubne formality but rende we youth see I mention myself I have created to youth see kiatinda gotamono awotro chinga kende yonske otoka ke koira na maya ntotai de bus mia sarida at my area asenkoriye kiroko no enjoy ama bonda te kobwat kabisa mayenga station inga yabe kwa yo kobwat chikura ne kero ya to kaka iga bantu babwat the response te yomono na kitokora we go on the ground to mobilize people kituka ibanda kuba make basokes ko babwat kura eger batu edi bagadi ota cha kuira umwa kero bochori bwa korirwa
Nanga kiendo batena bora agende buna wate bana nyano gutaratare nyumba kurwa se nyumba ya muguchi ase enkayende eratuka na rende na bora ambolie na gusenu bwate kura ngotebina nimbwate lakini behind the scenes timbwate kura
okay ekikwa boririe kene nkibwate changamoto na
asenginjira mu muntu amanya tawo ko ngaina na asenginja tegete mwetire muru asare mutigonya kumuchanda
tediko chikoba comfort for everyone or anyone utaite gochikoba ngana taite ebise atwaru worobo tabwate kura ikegara niko kati negendo giachaga ona nkuru nyumba mwane kirana keigwa nkibwate tekeigo nsumanga kikibirengere igenda bwate kura ndo abwata abantu kurumaya babwate worobo kwenda kubwate kura ese chingencho ita maybe asobora imba ikonyora ibaga ita bachora abantu lakini mbachete batware ebirenge byo kobara njerba promised but now erenga kire corridor revolution abantu bamuire ngayaya tigato bwari kikura abantu mbabwato mukya rero tego chikoirege kamono kero muntu gotabane kat sai kero muntu ori oranyore ngatabwatikati ori aratame kurasa abantu ekya to kungaina limo kabire gatatu uchakira bone yimeti into bwate etatu gochimotwa beterete kegara to ko ba comfortable nyoto bwatikati so niko kati neringana rigosukuma umuntu kurume yaye na espiriti neroro na ya beira checked by the politicians kero rocha barai bali bakurukunga tokagirete ngana ba korabo ba saba na inchi bataigo deriva baimukir baija kirite slogan nero bataite gotumeka patriende kenisi yaro kana ya questioni na dentro chenga chenchi neroro so onde bwensi okwane de kimbakato kikabwato musingi bwo
korengana na ine bia because wakwanire ngana yabana siasa beswana ni usikwibwata nene ngane yega yogosegeta abantu abangi kubwata chikura na kurwa sensemo yendenga kende kwa raigore na abana siasa usabana abasaye beka oleke ya Gen Z bagotebara bara siasa motemo weswana ni numurubiri uyo iga asengi nchonto maitekerenga kyaino nkere kieke nigo montago chate tuchaka koliera ukoigwa bange na bono ngochaka muri gotume ko murubiri oyega eri koliera nabo igo gotarira bono isiko gaiga nabo igo mwabwate ngakio gwikirani na gokora ibintu biga byonse pila kini mucheti gwikirania asa nse moyende nerebya abana siasa kwibwata ni muri emerubiri ngabune yega gose ekiumbe keri ya IBC ikiganirwa take full responsibility yo kwenekina mbarabwo ba create awareness nabo igo kurwa basemya na kuboria abantu babwata chikura asobonge iba bago tigera bana sisi kwa ranyo nechi billboard kwanyoro muntu no governor akobori kwanyora na billboard yabekirwe enene ebwate lietali ayo siro governor akobori gosino bo senate billboard yabekirwe para igoro enene kurwabwo bono nero gutumekwa nekiumbekeria IBC.
Nkaite ahwe changamoto nerororo iye kurukunga ngoyo olengi gutwari bagari gutumeka slogan yo gutumeka niko card iye bwate chingurwa sense ya Kenya sai yo ko radia na koro kinga niko card indeti yare gochora umurai ocho represent the interest of mwananchi. Aiga no twanyora abarai bandi batwariri bagari gutumeka slogan yeyo weta chi street kubeka chi billboard yecho oteba niko kati bati ere emok gochia sorio origetiri nganere ando minute truri usabu mwananchi. Asia ikere sauri ya very questioned you saw the other day ya wananchi ba sogete the genesis ba complain ntotaiti utumeke slogan ye na rocher kimondi no mabo complain it and nyondi ya alikanete again the process ya court. Na kongo tango monto kodi tumeka lakini ade ngochira ko bani comfortable for the readers but batara deliver babere ya soborai batabwati records chingia soko pokoduru bwa soba na inchi kutumeka esirogan yeyo the moment yara toka ada sabanto au kwana niko card and then au create the question to bibo in that and kerango yerigereri niko card otate ko etumeka nando bwate background yoborai bwaye gosoko ganikwaye gotai ko represent gotai ko reflect yoborai bra aratwaro buya ucha so mwananchi and then koma vera kon nande the response from the ground teko ba welcoming iko gentuna meaninga neba konwa sabantu bali batakorete buya watoke niko country since ya bere complain from the baribai chagete niko country.
Okay, so far so good ama kongwa alimu arorero se challenges nemenganyi elia kero kiri umurubiri yogenderete kwene kiwasengecho kulikia abakichikura tumurubiri tari bwano chaka asama tukamagega no chagete kurwa mwaka ori gocha kolendo mubarokarokana no mubaro noro mokake abantu gwesokia eri kwerikia buna abakichikura gwikira boniga nandi buna batite komenta matukaya iga emerongo etatu gose omutienyo yo mananda abantu uri otareka kwerikia nande aeriki. So far so good. Challenges chiri mwarorira ase binyoro imaiga gose nyone kurwa ase kyombikeria IBC kar moko lirina aigo muchano noraiga nabona ngakirie chikura nkororore na akero kubwekanyo konyoranga kiende na umogocha jo stikiti chiria chuwake kura nabona sobo chorwa 2022 mwaragocha mwanyana network teyo chi machine chigutumeko stikiti chiri chi tablet chiria chiagoma chirokora gasi yabetere na abantu mwaraganyake yabetere mpaka ngakiende na ndi mwagenda mwera na manually ase mejo ya challenges nemenganyi mekemeke ya berega kolekana kura ase seminary.
Okay, nere yuere go point out ya mangana readiness ya IBC. Akero kurigereria percentage yabo eren sana soko ba ready ko synthesize the information to the community. Agera abantu to the country asaur abantu babwate chikura. Oise kurigereria kero banste kubwatia abantu bange kwanda litani exercise kitangani bange kwanda chi center offices ya IBC. No mo bona witness ati abantu bakongakire simin tutate go chenje kura distance ya beira atambe na kitoko kora you see it means yo nabwato kugani kugochora guse
lakini kiumbige IBC ni kigitara arete getweke ange no mwananchi
ya ekina ikere question toka irani litoko batai we expect for mass registration ke oche ground at least ngoreta bare mbake ground ya bantu batware mbaka boniga ingo testifying nturarora IPC kerereti
igotera change no mwananchi
ne kina kidata
igobare mukonya kuwaki ne chi center chiri main
yeah especially
kirobware kubaso abaso montamenye
mwananchi. So especially kurwa singurwa na vera hatambe ere question so we feel abandon to entre kubwatia na kubwata na bantu bebata itebiroko abwato kubanyo kuya egere we go and push from the offices tore na uba kwa mete ekera the budget baire ere igoro sana na kero kurigere readiness yabona It means they are facilitated, but maybe
bari gwikirania bokora ruri bagani gwikirania
bakari gwikirania.
Okay. Tugocha sense muyende bona turane ase wodi iga ya Captain Northa korengana ni sabari yago yoburai. Bono egochaka gose uburuso bwaye mborororo ase umugusiara Tracy na tariboneka gwacho gwesokiritan korinde sabari yago yoburai ni necha gitokuru asegete nenkuru school gocha gwikiraga gase gwikira rero iga muntu tari utaboka bose goteba na bono ninga ni tuko boburai gose equality eri yoburai nere imeyane esa bari yago yoburai gose uburuso bwago boburai ngaibo chakerete utaracha gwikira bona so kuburikero geke.
Okay, asante. Ringana dire ne boreti chinga kigete kurmaega na ndingansa konyanga na twari record yote yabantu ngaina chakirete asina ikirinkai. Ngise koligereria obo gochake nsemo yane gutware birengere gocha sokora abantu atinja geti korengere inchi gutware capacity nene yokobo mu MCA. Inje kurwe skuru na maite kwa tindari ya rais nimbwate capacity yoko trina sabantu na kuba address. Ekero na ko skuru kero twase anabante sengo kwa chikasi chinsemo tofauti nkanyora nkonyarande kwa go dibaga na tegererwa na kwana points itachiko agacha abantu. Kero na ruawo na chana menyarinde kitengera gaiga kitengera na chite 2015 umutinyo kyanda akina yango ikomutinyo umwaka
2017 ene miaka kyanda gwakoriro
miaka kyanda goiko mwaka 2017 ngatoka na answer konana nabantu mwaka na radio sekinyo nanyo eto bwatari bagario nyumba 10 akuru kumwaka Thomas Busire togaika nange tinko manera kamba koranga oyo nkwambare koriso ni nchira abantu baraikange no borai botaito koremereria na kwerwa na kotegerera abantu aka introduce gochesa mangana yoko taka ko ikaba rari abantu bakurugyo borai yange aina nyote campaign yere tokara radio mu MCA ogenderete sai orekerogo akoro ku Joshua orowasa nkatwali bagario ko dio ko ba representative korwasi na meta ka chichiga akoro kura kibese from there to atira keiga yacha ika mwaka 2022 na participate no mwengo goruka kaya lakini tacheti aite chosurenda atoko etire uyuaroro boniga aguno na chana nansa kutwara inchira yoko interact na bantu muno na chagiteke ombege kurukwa krombo itinwane cerebral krombo itinwane ya chagite na bantu bakaiga challenge ya mangana monto itosiriro abantu bamiyo kanka na kibako nyare kana abantu bankumate baganyite abantu kurugura umbe bangito na bwata basani so tokanyo challenge samutanga ya mato gete tokaira na bagusi bairanete bagakaransa se bagate bayantu tate kuibanga au no anyo etaribaga dioko chorune chairman ngara abantu baika bakaiga baikatati kiombe kia tweta abantu miara kia abantu bakaira na maga kekera mbarama ya konyo maana kurwawe twakorete project abantu bakanyo chibesa bakagaya chinyomba kia bakakora ibintu bikabakonya na janari araisinga nkira twara mungsomono na ande ngataka kuimburufu baraibare ngoro batuka barekane ku relax akaiga kara idea no ko rigenchera yoko chaka nande como place the whole community umugusi itangani turebange kera bagusi ntubwate kitabu chaito tueka ngunya turi ku understand tori babe na bayatore dito gotaka otegera muno so abagusi tukachake kiombige ko ekekoro korombo itunwane ngagetiga ngachake kiombige korukwa twaje twakiro kobokano karangira abantamo bagacha ritukuritangani abantu baje kumena na barochi 200 na kumindi na kingo ja watress ya bantaba tinda tevia chifu abantu baumiranire aire para igoro na kingo ja okora kana that huge crowd tukaumirana bachari bogakorwa bakanga point ko ba mu chairman yobo asina kiraire ya chief te assets ntwagorete chitenti yangenye tukatware birogo 250 na ntutai kogoroboremo ntubwaye chibes chiro cho 1 million na account choko goroboremo abagusi na batware nka yabo twatete kurukobokano kera tutai ko register kiombe kyo twatha to ko register obokana turatiga kirikando challenge gacha yo ko register kiombe ngakiri umugambi ruta tebetenga abantu baregister byomba kanyora abantu baregister abanga okoranga certificate chika sui wake so nkarigere ingantu abwa certificate gaiga nande members yabara na ubari gaigo bokano gateba no tigangire nge idea ya se members barode ninyari kane baba soft ase krombo itinwane karatu asea tukake wikemo tukairana tukaiwana ngatiga to register baba anda krombo itinwane ne kiombe kenene ase kachato count birenge bito bora iboite twataite kebe namba isano ase Kenya ngima ase twabwato yo minto kombwat sia krokudefti krokudefti mato as my secretary onkonyire twabwatiranire iga so amange twachiviri yabete recognized as a community kere kabireta itegoche sororo igatoka nganto limited nganto etotaiterendo monto mugusi mugusi urende kabanga rende nyogotata mugusi nyomo mugusi egaro ntwaribaga osenyomo no mugusi twaribaga iga kiombe kingi atwarete okoganio konene ase community abaiko ya baru ya mansai bagataka gosororo patrende akotintu a constitution yue renkon egare tebanga tekunyara
kana bitango mbire bigocha byabikwa bose biraroro
so wikirawo naraite miaka ibere 2 terms kiombe gite nande to wakachikura ballot boxes kirali independent enge exercise yake kia
iwo mwaka wa mchikura chako mwaka wa mchikura chako iwo kara chintunda ibere
have achieved to achieve a lot kubwatra na members nande ngago kiworende asitori nande nkusuka tore kiombe nkibwato burai bono ntu atweto murai burai ubutanga ni bwarwe tobis nandi twa bonde borobis wote cover sai in the process so akuno na togete na gachi nandi nkwamba korekana ngaki ono mugusi nke ka akora we feel like na kwara igende kerekana then you look like no tware njera to rasanga
onenga kie kiriyo gosuka guchigorake
akuno na chana twara libagari go participate mugusi kere kwa gacho mugusi kachato count nka kabarigania tukabarigani gocha sekiombi gaito pakatwali bari go introduce yo tukareke kego cha kobeka nene kibwate counting members register na gari naro so nona twateri baganaro dio participate gocha kumira na bara tofauti no ekerenge giacha korekana ngandiro rio ebitu akorre ebyombe bitu abiaga chirensaiga fund sinjiri kigotoka se count level even at national government but injira kitoko nyora ntubwati injira togo ikereri ebinte ebyo gentu ataka nkorogire ebinte nabike kori at community level rakilende emegwe gitire tobwante go ikera nkomyoka kurworo korengere abantu bamintu nakimuroche nje naja nasukiuna abantu tari nje neimoki na maite goseninje koba nekerengerere ekyo but mentions chikansa gochanga omuntu akomumera busaigo twasanganira
gocha
nakiyore nkero kyo kobot so is a question umuntu amagani mwarenge business yere arena manganayo okobo kanyo abantu bante itrena kwarora kanire nona nyato mugaka naro kurukurimo wate atiwe kitengere yo mugusi abante tugasanganere nabutwete kerenge kyo kwanda gutene kerogo gusi ngomote mugaka nabondo che nabonyigwete byaga
subiyokora
naki ninyiwete ndoche ngana bonda ende gusi nchikobore kero akante kweri ndabyango tugatware riba twikaranse tugasanganse akante naro no bwate
asaba ka barusa somo ka karo bose mimboro
bagaka sebale tiniko nyako bafoiti tokubasike kera barabo none bipyango teberenga umuntu kubwete miaka umuntu bwate mbuche mutwe ono umuntu bwate ogosini ojasore tomo chaye ando sia sauto kabwate capacity ons so mwako yu akang inspire akantagenda nko so me ground ochontepe ekene na chitenga I promised ngo konyare afasi the process lakini ante tonganya kaenda nkarigereri landscape ya Bordix eritu abwate ngakeri tari yarera boniga
ebintu ngonya gucenchibire ko bitigere mu gucia serinde
ya bigori biritwa somete na baraba
abande basokira abande mu basabakara abande na kurubona na umutaumirane
arafu ko gocha kumachi the ground okugani kwabona bari baroreka baroro konye batarerete ngarantu igoje gusumbwana nebicyana biri narorire naroke konye mbararo kana lakini sai baroreka ni abantu
batakumanye kuri umwaka 2015 paka bona nabo batakumanye nabo mugeni ase bali
so ngarango nyokoro murai ke no burai okubokora ndonsi ari sore especially nyoko teto koro burai bokonya abana bagusibare kacheto county tigangi mokena barabwo tubwaterane na barabwo bantegerere mbataye kina ikiro kugani kwane so yacha ka chinga kyomone na tebetenga atukaringa neri gwatakire friend yane nero konta inga ya bekango tebango bekango no mutandao kubeka nande kuna kwebisarende na kinacha nakora so
lakini kubeka yani wesoke kule nechitangutanguna egente kengokora mbuyakere boronge kere gose ona ni gonda achensali
challenge se amangana security in security gadi umati nabanyene tometoro like now tubate boda stage nero imanyire awesendwete kuruku orkechu boda stage abantu barabanga orona bagusira kintu bata baru yoro ntu bata gere nini batia bagusimbaba nabo bwate nambe nyinge igentu gyachkiaba bana kwa umorembe kurutwa cyagite stage yeyo imiaka ya chirangi 5 iga 7 yagachwa no eno amansai bamwabo kero yagachi nande bache batagura like nawe bagutwerungira nabatebetiga tigatubwatera neiga tinda kuba engage mono but manyege ndeke ngo sukande ucheiga ekero twa nyorire kero geke twagache sheti ya ino monyorasi mo kore bintu bene muratwara no ene projects muragenderere
karabwatirire go hase bora chideka ne 32 na ibire gore chinsa isano chabo no mambia nsoko TV boroso bo mugusina atogenderete gusanga emambia ya bona karkecho kumurikira eward ya captain nota ase county ya Kajiado abo ase wiburikira bokyogo MCA kokuna neza blo mayaka na atogenderete gusanga nere mambia ya bona liboli nendilina ine kwagwatire ekura emambia ya bona baitira bwato na kiri byalinde bwesa okikuchiabugo ogende gwegwatire kure yago mapema bosibo ko choli bo mwaka obo chasibona tiatrasio mirichiduka na maiga yogo simirichiduka ningira nena yanda mange abo ibantu yandere gusanga wikoma
Eye Nensoko TV Oboroso bumugusi. Je, una ndoto kufanya kazi ughaibuni? Mwakala wa ALM tutakuwezesha kutimiza ndoto yako. Tunatoa ajira katika nyanja mbalimbali kwenye mataifa ya Qatar, Milki za Kiarabu, Saudia, Bahrain, bara Europa, miongoni mwa mengine.
We are legally registered by the National Employment Authorities and we are licensed to do manpower recruitment for different countries. Currently we are reaching companies in UAE, in Qatar, Russia, and we are hoping to enlarge our boundaries.
Kwa maelezo zaidi, wasiliana nasi kwa nambari 0721151500 au 0729690571 au unaweza kutembelea katika ofisi zetu zilizopo jijini Nairobi katika jumba la Delta House, orofa ya pili, chumba nambari 204 katika barabara ya University Way.
Tupigie simu utimize ndoto yako ya ng'ambo. Karibuni sana.
Ubugima n'urugendo rubwa tamange amaya namabe. Omusakito Linet Nyambane niga ng'aririe imena isiko ya Gusii na gusanga n'abayaeteire n'abakuyaetera.
Unango tebiwa ndabona ibaru tukinde buya ngakina kinde buya ekelna chiko ikemia kasta ngachaka ngotifera po ngoira samago wani kamenya gutokanga na twali roba wana wacha gitego
aya nime yo muroberio bo mwenori kirali tukule Jumatano chinsa ibiri chabutuko imeya Nsoko TV oboroso Bumugusi ine nuganete betri oratumia segari yao ebetri uguchachirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene chinga kichonsi ebenga kieriberera gusenga kiyobokendu tawe chandika Autobat Kenya Limited no tulegigiga asingichao nigo tokorosia na koni chipetiri uratumia chinga kichonsi chipetiri uratumie asigari enke ebasi nonyaneli kurukuru.
Tunapopitia pale kwa gari yako tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka ne battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wa kujamstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Obutindi no bosombasi amate ninki kere tokore
asamarieta ngoro ko munyagitari bosire koru Betami Rehabilitation Center. Betami Rehabilitation Center togotoka asegusi ensemo ya Gesonso na Nairobi ga ugoche ensemo ya Ungatarunga Xerian Road. Ime ya Betami nigo togokonya abantu bari amaruna amaryogo yogotindi asariri obongo bwabo. Togokonya abantu buna umwana funzi orenge kwa ende university ongere gutumia maruna maryogo yogotindi amosariri wana yaikireke wango guikaru aligo kwanya oroyo onde orenge kwa ende kanisa utigire onge akonywa maryogo yogotindi na amaru abasari erio twabaretaga Betami twabarwali erinde ubugima bwabo bwirane gochaso ubugima bwe
asamange twakirisimiya se namba 0706840844 Betami Rehabilitation Center lichiburi gukora chingatare ichyobutindu
Kera kama chingatara naiketa ni ya Nyamira na rena shauri sangwe ngaroro moijana umozu batera mabwali
Murigeri bwa Nsoko TV oyo no moroberio bwo kongoria mareko na inje mwana mboka Edwin Nyang'au turabe tukumira na kira litukulie iki guchakira chinsa 11 cha mogoroba wikenseyemo ya butuko kugwakorire mirimo yawo yerituko kwabokire orosete uikaransitero ya ubuyanda chitasekeruko orambulete mirundo kunyagusibero ngori na hali ya screen ni chingero chikoletwa na mwanambuka Edwin Nyang'au ano tokonyora chingero chionsi echiegita na chobenga kwa nubukano echiembegetere ndo gesongengo toamereria
Bakalia omotoja kabwatwa Obe bakalia omotoja kabwatwa Amatukemero ngena gaika kabwatwa
Eye ne Nsoko TV oboroso bumugusi
Karibu naende mwancho murire ya sensemo yega ya gatatema bia bona stongandira tegusanga ayanda mange ni gotwa kodase enseme kwa rokwanire iguru ya mangana bwatike no burendi ase wori ya Captain North abwasoko boria usore kanga yoko rikirugo kyobo MC kuru ase enseme yo ase emerobireri yago bwate gose tokoteba na top 3 priorities na ba priority na chikoba ya mo ibere isatu inye paka isano lakini tiaturariria namba ya mo paka namba isatu chidioroche na korengana no mumenyi kurwa sense emiri okurwana ekine priority chiaena litukoliria ebintu biga birarigeriwe gose uranyore libagali waswase obisi iyo nabo igochikubirigereria nabo birachikoreta matunda amayago chiase omumenyi o Captain North.
Okay, kwa boli lingana dia security. Security nere challenge. Ikera ebichichi byakinire sana ase Kajiado County, especially Kajiado East, Captain North, ase ndwete wati yo. Ebichichi mbire byakinire bita esirikali andekero kende tapate eplan ye ebichichi ebyo. Lakini ende kuringana n'abantu bate from what bya beiroro. Nkaite nechinga kichingia abarai bali baroro. Ose bali bare go chikoboro bunanche ndatwari ba choboro no go chaki gento ge kurukwa police stations okonyorera ale sana police station to tware gento ge kuruku security rights ase chi market kyabere ki market centers
ase ngokwera ni magegasi nini ase abarai bari barobi sinyone no kubwatira n'abanyakenyero mugambyo abakonye babagambyo mubunge mu MC ya bagabra narororo paka wikasa serikali nene ase wizari lyoburendi bwaime singe watebere ne police station etuki abanyanyimbo nigo kerare wikiraboniga mu rubirito iyo gose serikali nene tera ikerwe tebiguna ntuganetie getuki abanyanyimbo igaiga
nkaite ngane yare ngoro no mo bungororo kuruka puta mai na bwato moroberi go push to tware body station currently twaroche a distance like 400 meters away from where center kurwa kurukurumboi do bwate body station yange kwa gachwa ikaba mention tinga no murai uru orweteri baga e press yo body station ya gachwe kurwa ya gachite mugambiru to buna soeta ande kerokende ntwa expected tonyora baskari ba ko bati broiti orono bakaboni ganturaro da into bwata ne station ya renge yebi ebone kubwatira na police nere orono lakini okurigiredia e population area control igeranene and that's why we feel like the went to tware a body station ere where established eko ando issues cha insecurity kera ali estate cha gachiri chinyinge responses etoke batroad singwa kuchire so ndobate weaknesses cases of abantu baibirwe abantu mbarba feel like you are not affiliated to my community aina cure kwanyora classes like now isinya ya twarte challenge ya abantu wetana keiga but rende ya teka ba settled again to kurwa ninkiringa tutware body stations chire well established tutware community bodies baroro by the chinguru by the administrative authorities babwaterane ngaite kina kitobate a challenge na ndengo na bush tore na ntwe community ya weseme tena ondo chinga ntubwente kuri twa kwani ngo mirana tore egere to kwane na community boards the chairman bari community echo response yabe ororo tutware barasas chiko batended na chiefs egere abantu baitu batware kumanyanga mbare entire na bari baroro bawo kumanya ima basari bamanyanga sa na entire so inchebuna nchenda tebekero ndatware baga security rights into kwenda kubeka se community echo kana market proximity kero kuligera dia so target yere onyore ya must nere kwenda kubeka every center to bwata center kwenda kubeka yunki sachu to bwata si koromboi to bwata rakibes to bwata kimarati njibwenda utwara must ekera abantu barari chikambane chinyinga abandi bakurikisa ubutifotuko abantu batwari bari okonyora services nabande kokore bya service yabo bonjere bwabo mbaka kinsa kiri chibwenete abantu bagotaitete their services and abantu banyara kubokere mambi mono bono konyorore abaonia baonchureria bakonyo obo akuboka mapema koigure biashara sauri ya insecurity
na bande basieka mapema saa moja saa 12 saa moja basiekire
iya be challenge omuntu kurwaria utaite ko nyora ikiakogora yaba konguno eno muntu utaite ko invest ya goranga saya tadi secure so kwanya umuntu taratwara ibagari gocha ko invest yawo you see an investor when it comes umuntu utaiko beke biashara binene emineti y'abantu mbaraba go tubendi ya mbaraba ko ba improve or services inchiro chiko cha konyi tare ngororo. So I feel like in the wente ko beka security rights among other things like infrastructure para nere challenge mara mutrenech chibara chiri now the chini senda chiakinire chitarenga se prane
eba
now that nise ko erected ntuto meki borisis na nini na ebina bebe intepitanga to kotanga ni ko irese county ya se kurigere to tware planning schools inchi yororo akonyola skuru era ade population yabere nyinge yeroro te kunyara gutwara bana buko wa accommodate like na to bade skuru ekrugenga city primary school skuru abana bako walk distance entambe ne bade boating biya okoria but rende trochie ere migaine to bate chieri abantu to bwende wansa kurigiringe sirikari twara bone prani yokoraki yokogacha chiskuru chinde nseme kuruna kimara tipo tware primary school nseme kuraki base tware primary school ye koromboi primary na enga city ne bwate nchirera you see so ikina ikero kokania asenchendo chenga ayanga na twakora ekene ngerige ku vocational center abantu baitu kerba kori school abana baitu
konyora amayegero yechigasi chamaboko
okonyora site company cheguru ali chinyinge bade ne record ya industrial
yabo
go and record confirmed very soon nororenga in industrial area kuchakira asto kuruka korombo ke chiko chimotwe ono amarema atra manene for industrial okoranga chi company chikobekwa boni ndu bwa chi company oro chinyinge sana abana baito bari bautoka bakori chi school akonya they not well equipped kera se school warwa tiyange cover skills chirianya nyane gutumika ska so ntutaye gutwara vocational center in these centers market centers ichibwata abantaba naba chiroro egerbe egeri skills banyora opportunities as a company chirima agunantu okonyora ngabona abantu bakwenda baba hayat korusiko tuansa koreranga enforcement ni right ayoro yeri chikoliringa percentage chigete neta kire ko and for the locals baribaro locals imbare 3 minutes ngano mansa ibweka locals are abantu bari babwate registered voters in that area we call them their locals so kwanya tu kunyara gotete ingane iri omuntu yanyore keta bwa skills vocational centers chiko choron we toko twari baga to kwenda kora nkori gitore nchira to konyora mabage chikamani eche twata che abantu bwaro kelwa abana batwari baga otherwise bacha kuba abantu ba auto iberese community itari intention y'umwana kwanyora environment yamo bekire wawanse ko rengere binte njira itabwenerati
asogo chokorera asema mbya ya bono esabali nereiga because gero kwanere gero yamagana yo kuiga ko investments ubunchelia be no borendia be na masomo go chiko sabari go Singapore na tambara ne chagita bono na negendret na nsemo yendo bura imbure bwachiro buye especially kuri ase nyumba yo mugusi na esuti weka eche akwera undi yega timanye tinga yo kwenyora ase chinseme chiga ibere ntubwate nsemo ya Singapore ne sabali ere nsemo ya mwina na bwega ntubwate nsemo yende yenge nchimonere mwinoga na raso mugusi agotabana ne esuti egwako ne esuti kegwako nere sutira chigo chenchi uburayi bwa Singapore mwinoga no bwa Singapore mwina bagotabana asenseme yesuti na ero gwikabona toje salige tokengabone kyo tikeyo igo nesiginyi egatie chinsemo ibere nsemo ya serikali nsemo kwamirelia ya serikali asugo chiokorera nsechi dakika ibere ngayo kwenyora gatia bona
ekene njine nsemo ya Singapore to yegwete tatike uburayi bororo mbikoro kiburonge ngoto kibule Singapore and then some yo kubwati ubura yo wa United Abortion bato sukumegera bato ikase abana inchi barorire na imachoti abana inchi I believe no toro chiari no toro chinga na bako represent our interest So njenande nsemeyo ayandi ndatebe naringa umugusi uri Kajiado randon siasare ateme kubwatisi mwako minto Matiang'i egera tware kiroko na tutigenjere tokona ukwana kwana yaya ngataraba guseni ke namba ntubwate na pipare willing taiba usibarangirite mwaka Matiang'i ache gotene kiroko. It started by Genesis and this abantu bon science baka inyora bintu biri mwaka Matiang'i akodre anda nyarire kora biakorekanire bakarwanga nero bwenerete nintu abagusito bwente kwa mutu korera samande ko batainga yaya igekiroge ketoe tari intu moko oyo twarro kora ense buya nero bwate chinchira ibrengere bia biokora ense mwaka Matiang'i abagusi bare Kajiado kitengera bare rongai chinse muchen sueta andon siesto to mugusi tiga tukwane enjera yoko patrana tuskio mo kominto mwaka Matiang'i egere nera sikuskawo nkaito borai ndatebe oborai bore inspiration yego changa ekero nanyora nkubo kamambi ngokwane abaminto bante inga suka mutuntore maga yago echine chinguru nagacho maragata to eserituko amatukange weekend mawuchi motwe sichinkwana ibere isato cyo semeringa abantu mbare kene barorenga nimbwateri bagasi ndabarae nimbwate chinjira cyo kubara igo ekero to kwana Matiang'i ntutaiko musira ngaite kera to kwana igeto ko inspire mono nande twagacho kwegena sabantu baitomete na barabwo na barbaro ambataite enture tiare kubwatisiwa.
Okay.
Go timaiti na ikirichinga kindate ya bantu ko represent ya bantu tubwato mwacho kana bwe eruga timaiti go sana na ikire. Okay.
Nasugo korera boigo inse yenda kikaya mwige na boigo ningana yago yo mwerio yugo korera boigo.
Okay. Ngwaka mbuya mono litangani konga nigoche senyombe yoboraria Soko TV ne station ya chaka sobwango nandi anyari kuranda asa tambi sana ebwato bosemia na abagusi ba minto ba ngobate babwatie Soko TV ne ebwato bosemia no kwagachana akoreto mugusiamo tigankwa na sabantu ba minto ba Kajiado Captain Not What abantu ba minto ni ngachirungwa na Kiswahili. Watu wetu wa Captain Not What nimepata chance ya kuja Soko TV station kuongea na wenzetu na kupata nafasi kuambia watu wetu kama nyinyi chenye nataka kufanya na chenye ndawafanyia. Naomba munipatie kura na mkue tayari kusema niko kati. Waya tusirikiane, siku ngine tutaongea sana Kiswahili. Imenipiti hapa nijaribu kuongea Kisii leo lakini yote yale nimeongea ni yale ambayo yanatuchenga sisi zote kama wana Captain What Not. Asante sana, siku ngine nikipata nafasi tutaongea Kiswahili ili musikie yenye tulikuwa naongea.
Okay.
Nimeshukuru sana.
Bia mono mwancho morigereria asogo sangatu asangire emambia yabona kuromo chakano goika dakika engabune yigachete chidaka isano ne muchuka chirage chinsa isano ne mochi abona mubasoro wikirabona to wikira omwera asibari twabwatera na barabweri kwene kyamariyo gine chibichango go wikirale asenjira erendonge ngamo na director Zack amo na wiga sese muyende uyo kurukwa buna nere Joshua wika engakene naende ntumirane asembeo asayanda mangi yendra kubati merubende yatire aseri tukorigima na boigo yendra kwego kiriberiane Ishmael Mogere.